And we are back for one more video. So last time we have started watching Vinland Saga, and last time we completed the first two episodes, and today we are going to watch the episode number 3 and 4. So last time we saw that when Floki came to their place, Thor's place, Thor's place at Iceland, seeking for Thor's, because the last time he was in a war with them, I mean alongside them, he deserted the war, and as we came to know that the deserters are not treated well. So now he is going to be killed. He is not even going to be killed in a war. He is going to be killed outside. Even not he won't even be reaching the kingdom. What was that kingdom? I forgot about that. The where the Floki came from. So he won't be even reaching that place. He is going to be killed in the way. And Floki told somebody he has kept a man and his some soldiers so that he can take care of Thor's and his men. So we have to see now how Thorfinn and his family members and the villagers take the news of Thor's and the others being killed. So let's hop into the episode number 3, and let's see what happens. He is already on the ship. Don't tell me he is already on the ship. Inside some barrel. What happened? Oh.
トルフィンのやつ、父上のお見送りもしないなんて。昨日怒られたの根に持ってんだわ、あいつ。
Nah, he is already on the ship. I know that.
トルフィンに伝えてくれ。
Huh.
その、
That you love
つま
him?
り、
はい、伝えておきます。
頼む。おーし、出航。
Oh. You all need to start rowing the boat.
なんちゅう力、バカ、手を休めんな。焦げ焦げ。
Yeah, Thorfinn is not staying here. Thorfinn is already on the ship. I know that. Definitely Thorfinn is already on the ship.
もう当分は漕がなくていい。潮流に乗ったからあとは勝手に進むよ。
それでもう引き返せないってこと父上。
まあそうだな。父上。
Yeah, I said he is already inside the
ト
barrel.
ルフィン、お前。
後にして。
Abbe! Yeah, I said he is already on the ship. I have experience. I watch One Piece.
このいたずら。
父上。海だ。
Yeah. Umi.
しかしきな臭いなこの山。
なんで？
フローキーの旦那さ、どうも隠し事が多すぎる。
Now
ト
what
ール
is
ズ
he
署名の
hiding?
命令ってのは嘘だな。ほぼ
え
確実に。
じゃあ
Why?
暗殺さ。支援かなんか知らんが多分全て奴の独断だ。
それがどうしたよ。殺して金もらうことに変わりはねえだろ。
奴が自分の部下を使わないのはなぜだと思
Yeah, that is suspicious.
う。まあな、それもあるだろうが、損害を恐れているんだとしたら、それも狩猟に言い訳が聞かねえほどの大損害だ。
用務戦士団一個正代がか中古戦士一人に。 バカ
Oh, he is afraid that all his men would get killed.
面を拝んでみたくなったぜヨン少しは楽しめる男だと嬉しいね。
赤ん坊
Take her with two hands.
トールズ様、そのような持ち方をされて
Exactly, support her. You know, you need to hold it with two hands like this.
ヘルガ狩猟はオノコをお望みだ。妻のヘルガは軍団の狩猟の娘なんだ。
Hmm.
難産の後で病人のような顔色だった。
They were at Pharaoh, right? I think the man that is going to kill Thor. They were located at Faroe Islands. Somewhere at Faroe Islands.
ここイングランド
Nah.
イングランドに着いたの？
全然不正解ここはフェロー諸島アイスランドとノルウェーの真ん中だ。ここで一休みすると旅が楽になる。この先の入り江に村があるんだ。そこで飲み水を補給しよう。商売もできるぜ。
つうかお前イングランドまでついてくるつもりか？
改装
Why?
準備
Why are you coming to England? What's wrong?
どうしたレ
Something
イフ
is
さん
wrong.
おかしい。
Yeah,
何がだ
that's what I said.
さて何がだろう。だが前に来た時とは何かが。
He already sensed it. Wow. He is an expert.
そうか、家の数だ。家の数が減っている。
引き返そうレイフさん。良くない気配がする。地形も悪い。
Yeah.
マジですか。
They can just ambush them from. Oh.
おいあいつら逆走してるぞ。
気づいたか。
やるの慎重だな。手強いかもしれねえぞ。近すぎるが仕方ねえ。多少船が傷ついても構わん。
Oh.
やれ
Right on there. Oh, so they have blocked their way. Okay. They can't retreat now.
入り江の出口が。
海賊
Eh? Oh, so they are pirates. Kaizoku ni otaku da.
これは家の柱か。なんてこった完全に塞がれてる。
やられた。
降参すれば助かるんじゃないか。わかんねえよ。
You are
わけねえだろ。捕まりゃ奴隷市場で売られるだけだ。腹をくくれ。
you wanted to go to war. You are already surrendering.
たった2隻だ。
要請あれ。奴らは手だれだ。農民が夏場の出稼ぎでやってる海賊とはわけが違う。お前の叶う相手じゃない。
父上。
トルフィン。身を守るためだけに使え。いいな。いざという時だけだぞ。
やっぱやるんすか。やるんすね。
Control, control.
よーし。
Oi, putta, oi.
やるなんて言うな。
ビョルン、あんたそのキノコ。
ふうふうみ11、12とガキが1匹。なんでそれっぽっちかよ。おいアシュロット。あれ俺に任せてくんねえか。 あれっぱかしに全員でかかっちゃ面白くねえ。ヨウムのトロルっていうのがどんなもんか俺が試してやるよ。
いいだろう。
He is
向こうも
already
その気みたい
here.
だしね。
あ
こいつなんだてめえ、どっから降ってきやがった。うわ
Not even using his sword.
やるぜこいつ。
Bye bye. Bro needs to fight Goku.
やるね。ヨウムのトロル。
So we have completed episode number 3, and like I said last time, there is not much to talk about in this anime. So the fight has started. Everybody thought that the 5 kids who were with Thors thought that they could defeat them. I mean, Thors want to keep that one kid alive because he want his daughter to marry him. But yeah, let's see what is going to happen. I think that Thors can handle all of them because he is much stronger than them. He is using his bare hands to fight with them, not using any weapon, not even a sword. He is not using anything. So I think that he is going to fight all of them with his bare hands, and they are all going to get defeated. So maybe Floki's Floki's thought process was a bit wrong to kill Thors. He need to send his men to kill Thors. Nobody else can do that, not even the pirates. So let's see what happens. If they maybe by some ambush or something they can get him, but yeah, not face to face. They can't defeat him in fair battle. They need to use some underhanded techniques in order to get to him. So let's see what happens in episode 4. How do they kill Thors? And are they able to? That's the question. Are they able to? And if they are, then how? So let's see what happens in episode number 4. Let's go. A true warrior. I can hear the drums of liberation.
調子に乗んじゃね
Huh? They are warriors, so they can't go back on their word. But still, they are pirates. They are not soldiers. So just retreat. You can see that even with your swords out, he is not afraid. John, what is wrong with you? I thought you were going to defeat him all by yourself. Did he use any drug of some kind? Are yeah, he is out of control. He doesn't have control on himself. He is just. This is the most.
ビョルンが行っちまってやがる。
The person who doesn't have control on himself, he is the most easy to defeat. That's what I said. He would be very easy to defeat.
素手でこんな。
Yeah.
化け物以上だ硫黄のトロル
They should just look at what happened to the
俺
first
にされ
ship.
るくらいなら戦って死ぬ
Hey, Babu, control,
ど
control,
もはいいけど
control.
な傷をつけたら売り値が下がっちまう気をつけろ
Horse is here. Oh,
トールスさん
聞けお前たちの戦力はすでに半減した去るがいい命までは取らぬ 貴様が狩猟か
Oh,
その
1v1.
オーディンの名において貴様に決闘を申し込む貴様が勝てば好きにするがいい俺が勝ったなら速やかに兵を引け
Well, he is a pirate, so I don't think that he would care.
ためにその3倍の部下を失うことになる
質問してもいいかななぜ俺が狩猟だと思う
Because you are standing in front.
匂いだ
Oh.
さすがだねいいだろうこの決闘を受けようオラフの子アシェラッドオーディンの名において誓う
みんな選手の方へ下がりなさい
Oh. He is accepting. But I don't think that he would play fair. I think that he would do something shady. He is a pirate. Why would he go by the rules? Pirates don't go by the rules.
あんたから匂いを感じるんだよ
What?
俺と同じ匂いだヨウムのトロルよ
Of the leader?
俺を知って不老機か
察しがいいね頭のいいやつは好きだよ
父上お前みたいなワルと一緒にすんな
Nobody is a bad man.
父上は強いんだ死んじゃえ海賊バーカバーカ変な鎧
元気な砂利だなあんたの子かい
アシュラット貴様妻子はいるか
Nah.
いや
That's what I thought.
そうか始めよう
So now he can kill him. If he would have said that I think that he was going to keep him alive, but now he doesn't have, so
間合いを詰めてくる
he can carefreely kill you. Oh, he is fast. Yeah.
浅い
Bro is very fast. We can give that to him, but yeah, not that. Are you really strong to beat horse? That's the main question.
必殺の間合いをもう奇襲は効かねえだろうなこんな辺境までわざわざ足を運んだ甲斐があったぜなかなかの男がいるじゃねえかトルツ
許せアシュラット手加減はできん
He doesn't want you
ト
to.
ルズ
すげえ一方的だ
やばくねアシュラットいやでも攻撃は全部受け切ってるぜ
Yeah, that is also true.
やっつけちゃえそんなやつ
He is blocking all the time.
しまった奴の狙いは俺の剣かこれ以上は受けきれねえ
Oh!
奴の剣も来た 狙いが読めりゃ剣筋も読めるぜ。来た大振り。
Well,
はまった。
now what?
俺が油断して大振りするのを待ってやがった。
Hmm.
鼻から剣を折らせるつもりで全部こいつの筋書き通りか。なんてこった。
Nice.
この俺がいいように踊らされるとは。それほどの腕がありながら15年もアイスランドに。もったいないと思わんか。
思わん。こんなものに頼らざるを得んのは俺が未熟だからだ。本当の戦士には剣などいらぬ。どいつも動きな。ガキの首から下がなくなるぜ。剣を捨てろ。早くしやがれ。アシェラット貴様。
父上
Why are you shouting now? Go fight. You wanted to go to war.
まったく人がいいな。俺らが決闘の作法を守ると思ったが。
Yeah, exactly. They are pirates.
ちょっ
That's what I
と
said.
遊んでみたまでよ。音に聞こえたヨウムのトロルがどんなもんか。なかなか楽しかったよ。
Hmm. I don't think that he would care if he loses his head because
アシェラット、
you would lose
お
your
前
sons
たち
as
は
well.
決闘の作法を乱した。この勝負、俺の勝ちだ。
Yeah.
どっちでもいいさ。俺の
You won
狙いはあ
even
ん
for
たの
that.
玉だ。
分かってる。
Oh, he is sacrificing himself. Take me and leave everybody else.
承知した。この決闘はあんたの勝ちだ。
アシュラット、この勝負、俺の勝ちだ。戦士の約束をたがえるなよ。
分かっている。我が先祖アルトリウスの名にかけて速やかに兵を引こ
う。レイフさん、すまないが頼みがある。俺の首をヨウムの首領シグバルディに届けてくれ。召集を嫌って行方をくらましたと誤解されたら村が報復を受ける。お前という男は。
Yeah. The king will need the proof.
そこの貴様、望み通り俺の命をくれてやる。今すぐその子を離せ。
父上父上
Orphan, you wanted to see war. You got one. That is how wars are like.
よかった。とりあえず。
父上が死んだ。
Hmm.
あんなに強い父上がなんで剣を捨てたんだ。戦士に剣はいらないなんてそんなはずないじゃない ないからなんで父上が畜生あいつ父上に負けたくせに畜生なんで父上が死んであいつが生きてるんだ畜生畜生
Thorfinn, you are going in the wrong direction.
捨てるなんてあいつらも思い切ったな。
負傷は28名が死者はいない一人もかバカな
アシュラットおい戦備に来てくれアシュラット
Did he come back or what is happening?
トールズのガキだ船底に隠れていやがったな
Oh,
見ろよ一丁前に探検なんか持ってる
oh, so he was still in that ship which they were going to take. Why? What is he even thinking?
よくも父上を殺したなお前も殺してやる絶対に殺してやるぶっ殺してやるぞ殺してや
And how are you going to kill them if they kill you right here? They are more than 20-25 men.
どうするアシュラッド
Do you think they would just stand there and let you kill them?
ほっとけどうせすぐ死ぬ
Bro, you could have returned with everybody, then learned something and then come back to take your revenge. So we have completed episode number 3 and 4 and finally now Thorfinn's journey is going to start. So this anime, this is not much of a, I mean, it is kind of more of a fighting anime, but still it is not a fighting anime. You need to stay with it a bit. I mean, the lines that are said in this anime that are more, much more hard hitting than the swords. So this is going to be a very peaceful I don't know if I can say it a peaceful anime, but when Thor was talking, I really felt good while hearing him, but I guess he is not anymore. And now we are going to see Thorfinn's journey, his revenge. He wants to kill everybody now. So and he is on their ship. I mean, it is their ship now. He is on his own ship, but they have given it to the pirates. So he is on pirate ship, and he wants to kill them all. Is he going to land at their place and learn from them and then kill them? What is going to, because what is he going to do? He doesn't know how to fight. I mean, he does know, but he is a kid. He knows how to play games of fighting. He don't know how to, fight like with adults. How is he going to do that? Where is he going to practice that? With pirates, the ones that killed his father, I don't think that he would even understand that someone else told them to kill him, so they are not at fault. He would think that because he saw that his father won and the pirate leader lost, but still he killed his father, so he thinks that the pirate leader is at the fault, but we all know that he is not. He is a pirate. I don't think that Thorfinn understands what a pirate is. So let's see in the next video what happens, what Thorfinn does, where does he learn to become a warrior, will he become a warrior? The first question is, will he become a warrior? But I guess that by the end of this anime he will become a warrior. Not yet. We have a long journey ahead. So let's see what happens. Does Thorfinn defeat the pirates or does he become a part of them? And what happens next? Let's see in the next video. And until then, enjoy. Bye bye.